Hello and welcome everybody to Time Saving It channel. In today's video we're gonna explain how to improve your video dramatically without professional lighting system. So in case if you have this kind of video and the lighting is very bad as we see here, how we gonna improve that without lighting system? This we gonna see this in Adobe Premiere in a very simple steps. If you are interested for this topic, please stay tuned and you will see how to do that in a few seconds. Well, let us jump to Adobe Premiere Pro 2018. I'm gonna delete what I have already done and I'll get this video again in timeline. After you mark in and out, then we will have the video. Okay, because of presets the size is not same, so we're gonna scale this one to be same and we can see the difference easily. So we will scale it. So what we're gonna do, we will go for effects and lumetri color, then basic corrections, basic color. Then we can play in these settings. For the contrast, we will increase the exposure now little bit and we can have some adjustment here. So these settings are not ideal one. You should find out what is suitable settings for your video because it cannot match for each and every video. So we're gonna play here also. It's some, it goes for the blue color. If it's okay for you, you can do that. For the saturation, we can little bit reduce that. And then we can go for curves, which is the most important step. 3 points we can make and we can adjust these points in such a way our video will improve a lot as we see here. So these were the few steps that you can do to improve your video, even though if you don't have a professional lighting system. And we can see the difference between both. It's a huge difference actually. So the steps are very simple. We go first for basic color correction and then for curves. You can adjust these settings. If you don't like these settings, you can reset it and go back again. And then you can go for curves and make similar to that curve, and your video will be much more better than before. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching. I'll catch you in another video with Time Saving. Bye.